hear, John. Who do you believe was at fault in the accident?
I 100% believe the other party was at fault.
Thank you for sharing that, John. Based on the information you've provided, we can represent you in this case.
All right, so today I'm really excited to show you something that can be a game changer for your law practice. Imagine this, an intake assistant answering calls in the middle of the night or after hours, ensuring you never miss a potential client. And even better, imagine it being able to close a prospect on the phone, securing their commitment before they even meet you, all while you sleep. You know how hectic things can get, juggling client calls, managing cases, and just trying to keep everything running smoothly. It's a lot, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to take some of that pressure off your shoulders? Whether you run a solo practice or a small to mid-sized law firm, we've got the solution for you. Let me introduce you to our new AI voice legal intake assistant. This particular assistant was built for personal injury law firms specializing in vehicular accidents. This little piece of technology is like having a whole new team member available to you 24/7, which means the assistant never sleeps. It's designed to handle those initial client calls, not only gathering the important intake details needed, but also getting a firm commitment by closing the prospect right on the phone. Retainer agreement is signed, the appointment with you is made, all without you having to lift a finger. What's great about this AI assistant is that it knows the right questions to ask and collects the information you actually need. Although this particular assistant specializes in personal injury involving motor vehicle, we here at Prime Solutions can create a custom assistant for any type of law firm specialization. So whether you're dealing with a personal injury case, a family law matter, or anything in between, this tool is tailored to fit your practice. And the best part, it frees you up to focus on stuff that really matters, like working with your clients and winning those cases. So now I'm gonna role play a scenario to showcase exactly how this works. Picture this, a person has just been rear-ended in the middle of the night, they're injured, and they need help. Sounds familiar? Well, it does to me because it happened to me last year. The AI intake assistant will take the call, guiding the conversation smoothly and empathetically. Now, this was a very important feature that I needed prompted into the assistant. You'll see how it's been custom programmed to ask the right questions, showing empathy, and making the client feel understood, just like a real human would. This demonstration will highlight the realism and flow of the conversation, showing how the AI's custom programming and prompting gives the interaction a truly human-like quality. By the end, you'll see just how powerful and essential this tool can be in making sure your clients feel cared for, even in the most stressful situations. So let's go ahead and dive into the scenario and see our assistant in action.
Thank you for calling Sample Auto Law. All calls are recorded for quality assurance purposes. My name is Anna, the AI assistant. How may I help you today?
Hi Anna, I was in a pretty bad car accident tonight and I was hoping somebody could help me.
I'm so sorry to hear that you were in a bad accident. I'm here to help you. Can you please tell me your first name?
Sure, my first name is John.
Thank you, John. When did the accident happen?
The accident happened tonight at about 9 p.m.
Thank you for that information, John. Can you please tell me what happened during the accident?
Yeah, I was at a red light, I was fully stopped, and this car just came behind me out of nowhere and rear-ended me.
I'm really sorry to hear that, John. That sounds very distressing. How are you feeling right now?
Not too good. My head hurts and my neck is hurting. I think I have whiplash.
I'm sorry to hear that you're in pain, John. It's important to get that checked out. Did you see a doctor after the accident?
I did not.
I understand, John. It's important to seek medical attention, especially with the symptoms you're experiencing. Do you have a police report from the accident?
I do have a police report.
Thank you for that, John. Do you have insurance, or do you know if the other driver has insurance?
I have insurance and the other driver has insurance.
That's good to hear, John. Who do you believe was at fault in the accident?
I 100% believe the other party was at fault.
Thank you for sharing that, John. Based on the information you've provided, we can represent you in this case. Now, I need to collect some information from you. Could you please spell out your full name for accuracy?
Sure. First name is John, John. Last name is Smith, Smith.
Thank you, John. To confirm, that's first name John and last name Smith. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Great. Now, just in case we get disconnected, could you provide me with the best phone number to reach you?
Sure. 123-123-4567.
Thank you, John. To confirm, that's 123-123-4567. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you. What is a good email address for us to send forms to?
You can send it to my email. It's john@john.com.
Thank you, John. To confirm, that's john@john.com. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you for confirming. Could you also provide the date, time, and location of the accident?
Yeah, the accident happened tonight at about 9 p.m.
Thank you. Thank you for that information, John. I have the accident date of tonight at 9 p.m. Can you please provide the location of the accident?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry about that. The accident happened at the intersection of Pine Street and Main Avenue.
Thank you, John. So the accident happened at the intersection of Pine Street and Main Avenue at 9 p.m. tonight. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you for that information, John. What will happen next is I will send you an intake form to complete that needs your signature. By signing this form, you give us permission to represent you and access your medical records. We operate on a contingency fee basis, which means the law firm only gets paid if they win your case. You won't incur any out-of-pocket expenses. All costs will be covered by the settlement. Our attorneys will handle all negotiations with the insurance companies to ensure we get you the maximum compensation possible. Do I have your permission to send the intake form to john@john.com?
Sure, you can send the form.
Thank you, John. Please let me know when you have received the email.
Okay, I've received the email.
Great. In the email, you'll find a link to our secure customer portal. Click on the link, and you will see a file with two sections. 1. Contingency fee. 2. Medical records release. Please read through each section and click the box at the bottom to put your signature. After that, click Submit. Let me know once you have submitted both intake forms.
Okay, and then Anna, I don't know. I feel a little uncomfortable with signing something. Something just makes me believe that I'm gonna have to owe someone money, and I don't know. I'm not comfortable.
I completely understand your concerns, John. It's important to feel comfortable with the process. Just to reassure you, our firm operates on a contingency fee basis, which means you won't owe us anything unless we win your case. All costs will be covered by the settlement, so there are no out-of-pocket expenses for you. If you have any more questions or need clarification, I'm here to help. Would you like to proceed with the forms?
Yeah, you know what? I'll go ahead and proceed. Yep.
Thank you for your trust, John. Please go ahead and complete the forms, and let me know once you have submitted both intake forms.
Okay, yeah, my internet is kind of slow right now. Are you gonna wait with me on the phone, or should I do this another time and call back?
I can wait with you on the phone while you complete the forms, John. Take your time and let me know when you're ready.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome, John. Just let me know when you're ready, and I'll be here to assist you.
Okay, I went ahead and signed the forms, and I've submitted them back to you.
Thank you, John. I can confirm that we have received both signed intake forms. Your case will be forwarded to the legal team for review. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. So when can I expect a call from someone from the team?
Thank you for your patience, John. The legal team will review your case and reach out to you shortly to discuss the next steps. If you have any additional questions in the meantime, please don't hesitate to call us back. Thank you for calling Sample Auto Law. We'll be in touch soon. Have a great day.
Thank you.
So there you have it. That's the voice assistant doing everything an intake specialist would do. Asking qualifying questions, collecting information, and always making sure to empathize with the client. The assistant is able to send forms and ensure the digital signatures are returned, thus securing a future client for your law firm. All of this while you sleep. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in having this assistant or any other AI-powered solution plugged into your practice, please don't hesitate and send me a direct message. Our job here at Prime Solutions is to save you and your law firm time and money. Thank you.